Namaste. Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter, that is chemical bonding and molecular structure, which is an important chapter in chemistry to understand various further chapters in chemistry. So here in this chapter, that is in chemical bonding, we are going to learn how bonds are formed between atoms of the same element, what type of bonds one can observe between the molecules, the shapes of the molecules, their geometries of the molecules, how they behave in different physical states, etc. So the today's chapter is chemical bonding and molecular structure. Chemical bonding and molecular structure. Chemical bonding and molecular structure. So here in chemical bonding, the first in this chapter, the title is chemical bonding. Simply, it's a bond in a chemicals. Bond in chemicals. You know what are chemicals? Nothing but matter. Any matter that comes under chemical species. What type of bond? Bond is nothing but a relation. Simply we can say an attractive force between chemicals, within the chemicals. Now, when you come to the definition or how to understand the definition of chemical bond in a simple way is just a force of attraction between two atoms. Force of attraction between two atoms, same type of atoms, different type of atoms, between ions, even between molecules. So simply a force of attraction, the force of attraction between atoms or ions or molecules is called chemical bond. So chemical bond is nothing but the force of attraction between atoms or ions or molecules. Is called chemical bond. Chemical bond. So that may be between atoms or ions or molecules. Now you may have a doubt that why atoms need to combine? What is the need of bond between two atoms? What is the need of a bond, an attractive force between two atoms or two molecules? When atoms are there, when elements are there, when molecules are there, why we need to see that attractive force? Very simple. In general, even in our life, when you are not happy, when you are not comfortable, means you are at higher energy. You are not comfortable. So when you are not comfortable, generally we can see or we can search for a partner. The partner may be your sister or your brother or your friend. So similarly, if this atom, if we can take, this atom doesn't exist because of its high energy. Similarly, you take this atom, it is also unstable because of its energy. When energy is more, they are unstable. Otherwise, if they are unstable, means their energy is more. Similarly, you take hydrogen, a single atom, which cannot exist independently because of its instability. Similarly, you take chlorine, same thing. Now, in order to attain the stability, in order to reduce their energy, they want to make friendship with the same element or different elements. Here you see hydrogen at high energy. Another hydrogen also at higher energy. Higher energy means they are at unstable state. Now to attain stability, what they will do? They combine with each other. They want to combine, there must be an attractive force. Here you see these two atoms combine and results a molecule called H2, hydrogen molecule. So after combining these two atoms, okay, they release energy. And the molecule will have less energy and becomes more stable. Less energy and more stable. So in simple, atoms or ions or molecules will have an attractive force to attain the stability. Stability means more stability, less energy. Stability and energy are inversely proportional. The same amount of energy required to break the molecule and to get atoms. The reverse case is same. Suppose if 10 calories of energy got released, the same amount of energy to be applied to break the molecule into atoms. Right? Similarly, if you see H plus Cl, what you will get? HCl with less energy compared to hydrogen and chlorine. So formation of a bond is exothermic. Exothermic means the process in which energy being released. So here NaCl, there is a bond between here two atoms. Let me write that bond here HH. This bond is called chemical bond, which is nothing but a force of attraction between two atoms. So similarly here we can see HCl, NaCl. Here you can see between the molecules we can find a small force of attraction between NaCl and H2O, which is called ion dipole interactions. Ion dipole interactions. So we will see one by one what are ion dipole, what type of bond is observed between non-metal, metal and non-metal, metal, etc. So it's a very simple. Chemical bond is nothing but force of attraction between atoms or ions or molecules. Why they observe force of attraction? To attain the stability. Without force of attraction, they cannot form the bond and they become unstable. Now, the same philosophy we can observe even in our life. A single person on this earth planet may not be comfortable. So he is not that happy. For that reason, he start making friendship with plants. He may start making friendship with animals if you don't find human beings. Suppose if you find human beings, he starts making friendship with other human beings. Now, we can also observe a type of relationship, different types of relationship with the different human beings, like father-mother relationship, that is one type of bond. Father-son relationship, father-daughter relationship, brother-sister relationship. If you see in all these relationships, there is a force of attraction. Similarly, we can see a beautiful bond between two human beings that is simply called